We woke up this morning in the mood for a change of scenery, so Alright, so every cruiser that we've ever talked to about Black Point has told us about this little old lady who sells fresh coconut bread out of her kitchen. And apparently the best way to eat it is as French toast, so we're gonna go pick up a loaf and have that for breakfast. I'd say it was worth it.
Oh, it was fantastic. I loved it.
There wasn't much else going on in Black Point, and the winds were practically begging us to sail, so we decided to make another small hop south.
About to leave, already packing, come with me, I'm not really asking, we'll get away, to a place where we don't know, about to see, the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions, we'll get away, this is what we waited for.
About a week ago, Nick left his hat here and we lent them a jump drive just full of movies. So we've got his hat in a Ziploc bag, they've got our jump drive in a Ziploc, and we're gonna see if we can just do a quick little handoff.